really, do I? You mind if I share a story with you, family? You know, how this came about was somebody was asking me about do they need a PMP? They've had more than a decade or more of experience in project management, never needed it when it came to job interviews or even getting the actual job. I met with someone else that had 15 years of experience and et cetera, et cetera. I even met someone, mentored someone that had like a couple years, well, about 3 to 4 years of experience of project management. Was like, hey, do you think I should get the PMP? And my answer is never the same. And the reason why it's never the same, family, is because everybody is on their own particular trajectory. Now, I am biased because I'm a coach, I'm a mentor, and author. So, because that is my thing, I'm going to always recommend that you get the PMP.